Hi everyone, this is Asia Vlogs, a Filipino actor being here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, busy tayo for today's video. Gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang latest performance ni Kim Chiu sa ASAP natin to ngayong araw na ito, which is July 7. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Ano kayang performance siya dito? May pasabog na naman ba siya? Buwis buhay na naman ba siya? Or ang kanyang pro dito is very sexy and everything. Alam mo naman si Kim, she can do all the work. Something like, pwede siyang magdrama sa production niya. Pwede siyang buwis buhay ng production niya. Pwede din maangas and pwede din sexy actually. Namang sido siya for today's video. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Pusuan ng kanilang music live. Make way for
Jason D.
Sam.
Ay, hindi pa to.
Kasama ang J Heart Music with the Antidote.
Hindi pa to siya.
ASAP Discoveries.
Wait lang, hindi pa to siya. I-forward
At
natin.
ang membro naman po ng Antidote Band is from Manila.
I-forward na. Ito, yun o. No. Mali ang ating record for today's video. Ulitin natin. Ito. Ito siya. Ito na to. Ang hirap kasi ibalik natin, guys. Kaya ito na natin to.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. At
Diyan lang kayo. Makikita din natin yan si
Coronadal South
Kim Chiu.
Kita-kits po tayo dyan next week.
Yeah, definitely. Ang daming mangyayari. And daming mga concerts, no?
Speaking of concerts, we would like, of course, to congratulate the voice of all the voices, Jed Madela, on your very successful concert last Friday at the Music Museum. And, of course, congratulations to your director, Paolo Valenciano, and your all-star amazing production team.
Yes, that's right. We will always...
Congrats, Jed. You're the best.
We will always wish you the best, Jed. Congratulations.
Okay, i-china natin.
Wish natin ang best for her. But I guess right now, she is living her best days of her life.
Ay, she's living the best.
Wala siyang sabihin halata naman happy, calm, and chill talaga.
Wait lang, may shade talaga sila kung pakilala. May shade talaga sila. Sabi na nakaraan ni Robby ng birthday niya, you deserve nothing but the best. Ito naman si Edward ngayon. Ang sabi ni Edward, kahit wala siyang sinasabi, she is happy, sweet, and calm, something like that. Parang may shade talaga na, okay, kahit wala kang chinichika sa love life mo, alam namin ang nangyayari kasi sobrang halata sa mukha mo. Something like that. Yun yung analysis ko, guys, for today's video. Sabihin yung chismosa ako kung chismosa, pasensya na kayo, pero yun lang talaga yung nahalata ko.
That's life at its highest. Tawag natin sa kanya, Queen of the Dance Floor.
Ay, siya pala yung Queen of the Dance Floor.
Sa pagiging kalma.
Wow, that's a new one. Well, everybody who knows her, well, we all know who she is.
Kalma ba siya?
D-Grind. Here's a special dance performance from our very own dance royalty, Kim who?
Kim Chiu. Okay. Ay, parang alam ko yung kanta. Denise Julia? NVMD. Dang, alam ko yung kanta. Oh my God. Oh my God, alam ko yung kanta. Isa niyo yung kanta. Nevermind ang title yan. NVMD by Denise Julia. Favorite ko din. Oh my God. Wait lang, parang yung kanta. Parang, wait lang. Diyan lang kayo. Kasi ang title ng kanta to, hindi tayo, pero winiwish ko na parang, wait lang, lyrics of NVMD Denise Julia. Parang yung kantang to kasi parang, wait lang, it's been 45 minutes we've been blowing. Wait. Never mind. Basta, andito never mind, I'll miss you before I kiss you. This song will miss you. I don't get it. Wait lang. Hey, baby. It's been 45 minutes. My phone. Never mind. I said, I wish you'd mind putting you past so we can't rewind. Something like that ang kanta. So parang alam mo yung para ito sa lalaki na parang hindi man tayo. O hindi man tayo, pero gusto ko maging tayo. Ganun? Actually. Chismosa. Anyways. Hello. Galit talaga ni Kimi, oh. I love the song. Oh, yes. Grabe naman bumili ng Kim Chiu namin. Uy. Oh, yes! Bakit ganun siya, no? Mag-perform siya, pwede siya sa maas, pwede siya sa seductive. Kasi yung dance niya dito, it's kind of seductive, though. It's really, really seductive. Hindi lang kinda, kundi seductive talaga siya for today's video. Ang galing niya lang talagang gumawa ng facial expression pag nag-perform siya. Depende sa music na pinaperform niya. Okay. Oh yes, attitude. Attitude. Ito. Wish you mine. Yeah. That's why. Ganda ni Kim Chiu. Feeling ko hindi siya nagbubuwis buhay ngayon sa mga ASAP project. Kasi may pinaghahandaan sila. Yung sa California nga nila, yung pinaghahandaan nila. Diba? Feeling ko yun talaga. Kaya hindi siya nagbubuwis buhay ngayon for today's video. Ay, meron pa talaga, babe. Hindi siya tapos. Ay, inikot-ikot na naman siya. Ang hot naman ni Kim. Ay, hello. Oh my God, Kim Chiu, totoo ba? Akala ko kalmado. Wait lang. Akala ko talaga kalmado siya for today's video. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko akalain magiging ganito siya. Oh, the seductive face. Kim Chiu yan. That's it. Ganda na kanta. Ang ganda ng prod niya. Yes. Ang ganda ng prod niya. Ay! Hindi mo kaya. Tapos na? Tapos na nga. Alright, there you go guys. So for today's video, the Kim Chiu, the Kim Chiu prod in ASAP natin to. I love it. This is AJ Vlogs and see you in my next one. Bye!